Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Hafsa Abid and I have been thinking to make this video for quite a time now. I have recently passed my MRCP Part 1 in first attempt. The sole purpose of this video is to guide you guys about my MRCP journey so that it can help in yours. MRCP is a postgraduate diploma in internal medicine. It has three basic parts. Part 1 and Part 2 are MCQ based exams, and Part 3 is PACES, which is an OSCE based exam. Once you have completed this, you can easily work as a consultant in Pakistan, UAE, Qatar, etc. And you can easily get into the specialty training in United Kingdom. Anyone who has done their primary medical qualification, that is MBBS, and has done 1 year of clinical experience, that is house job, can easily apply for this exam. This exam costs £608, जो कि पाकिस्तानी 1,40,000 के करीब बन जाते हैं. Isn't it too expensive? लेकिन I am sure कि आपकी जेब में पड़े फ़ोन से महंगा नहीं है. So just invest in yourself and go for it. How to apply for this exam? It is a simple step-by-step procedure. First of all, आपको उनकी official website पे अपना एक account बनाना होता है. The link is going to be provided below. Once you have made your account, you can easily log into it. आप application window check कर सकते हैं and apply कर सकते हैं accordingly. You have to get your degree attested by a member or fellow of Royal College of Physicians and send it to them by mail. Brace yourselves because this exam is comparatively lengthy as compared to other exams. It has two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 and paper 2 are both 3 hours each, comprises of 100 MCQ each. There's almost 30 minutes break in between each exam. Time required to study for this exam can vary according to the individual circumstances. Roughly with 3 to 4 months of dedicated study, you can easily get through this. However, अगर आपकी कोई personal वजूहात हैं, you have a job, तो फिर आप 5 to 6 months के estimate से तैयारी कर सकते हैं. Another crucial part of this video, पढ़ना क्या है? There is a wide variety of QBanks and books that are available in the market, but it can get overwhelming at times. इसलिए I have shortlisted few books and QBanks that are going to be helpful. QBanks are the question banks which are available both in online form and also in the textbook form. I would recommend you online QBanks because they get regularly updated as compared to the textbook forms. First and foremost, we are going to discuss past medicine, which is considered the gold standard in MRCP Part 1 preparation. लेकिन जहाँ कुछ चीज़ों के फ़ायदे होते हैं वहीं उन चीज़ों के नुकसानात भी होते हैं. So let's discuss pros and cons separately. Number 1, it has almost 4,000 plus MCQs, which is a vast variety of knowledge. Number 2, it is rather compiled form of MCQ pool. Number 3, it is relatively cheap. For example, 4 monthly subscription almost आपको 7,000 तक की पड़ जाएगी और 6 monthly subscription आपको almost 9,200 की पड़ जाएगी. Number 4, it is relatively less expensive as compared to other QBanks. Number 5, I would highly recommend this QBank to you guys because I have also done this. Number 1, there are no past papers included in this QBank. Number 2, there is no application that is available for this QBank. Number 3, although it is considered gold standard for the MRCP Part 1 preparation, still you need some supplementation from other sources. In short, safer zone में रहने के लिए you cannot completely rely on this QBank. The second most famous and recommended QBank is PASTest. So let's discuss its pros and cons separately. Pros. Number 1, it has almost 6,000 plus MCQs in it. Number 2, it has past papers included in it. Number 3, it has an application that is easily available on App Store and Play Store so that you can practice your MCQs from there. It is relatively extensive, which means if you have a limited period of time, then doing it completely is going to be difficult for you. Number 2, it is relatively expensive. For example, the subscription of February attempt exam is going to cost you almost 18,500 rupees, and for the May exam it is going to cost you almost 32,000 rupees. Number 3, the explanations are not as much detailed as they are in past medicine. That was all about past medicine and past test. इसके अलावा भी कुछ क्यूबिक्स मार्केट में अवेलेबल हैं, just like RCP Master Class and On Examination. They are not as famously recommended, but it is your personal choice, whatever you want to do. Before that, I would suggest do not completely rely on the books. You have to do the cubics must. There are two internationally recognized books. Number one is Essential Revision Notes for MRCP by Philip Calra, and number two is Basic Medical Sciences for MRCP by Easterbrook. मैंने इन दोनों बुक्स से थोड़े से टॉपिक्स पढ़ के MCQs अटैम्प्ट करने की कोशिश की थी, जिसमें मुझसे मोस्ट ऑफ द MCQs अटैम्प्ट नहीं हुए थे. अब हम कुछ नोट्स डिस्कस करेंगे जो आप अपने क्यूबिक्स के साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं. Number one is Notes and Notes by Dr. Yusuf Abdullah Hamad. It is a book that comprises of almost 2000 pages. It is extensive and very time consuming. However, if you have plenty of time, you can go through it. But I would not recommend you guys this book because it is outdated and extremely lengthy. Number two is Maghrabi. Maghrabi book is also outdated one in the market. It is also extensive, so it is not highly recommended. Number three is Sudha Medica. This is one of my favorite books. Also, it is very concise. It has 800 pages. It is student friendly and easy to digest. I had a limited time period of 3 months to study for this exam. I had my own strategy. हर एक की अपनी strategy होती है, but I am going to share mine with you. So I used to study a topic from Sudha Medica and then I used to do MCQs from past medicine of the same topic. इस तरह से अगर सुधा मेडिका में कुछ चीज़ें लैक करती थी तो मैं पास मेडिसिन से उसमें नोट डाउन कर लेती थी और वो बाद में रिवीजन के वक्त भी मेरे काफ़ी काम आई थी. उसके अलावा माई गोल वॉज टू कम्प्लीट माई फर्स्ट रीड इन फर्स्ट 2 months and last month was reserved for past papers and revision. I must say revision is the key. At least 3 times you must revise the syllabus before appearing into the exam. Throughout my preparation, I was extremely dedicated. I used to follow a strict study schedule along with mind refreshing breaks in between. I also managed to get adequate good night's sleep so that I could fresh start a new day with new energy. One thing that must be mentioned here is the good study partner. Study partners are cool, they keep you motivated. It is totally up to you whether you want to study alone or you want to study with someone else. There are different discussion forums on WhatsApp and Facebook for this purpose. Personally speaking, I found them quite overwhelming, so I didn't join them. However, it is only your choice. Whatever you want to do, you can go for it. Lastly, I would say that MRCP is not an easy exam. It is a hard nut to crack, but with determination, consistency and hard work, it is totally doable. And if I can do it, any one of you can do it. So have faith in yourself, in God, in prayers of your loved ones, especially your parents, and just go for it. Do your best, leave the rest, and definitely you'll ace this test. I really hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any queries, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.